Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the first video in which I decided to record a voiceover. I hope you like it. It felt like a good decision to make in order to help my channel grow. Anyway, let's start crafting. The main part of the vision has a simple shape, but you will need to prepare a needle or knife tool for carving and cutting some lines. Just take your time and try to copy the lines as on the original. In this step, I wanted to highlight the size of the orb. Feel free to skip it. I finished the rest of the details of camera. The spikes are quite straightforward. Just cut them out, flatten the sides a little, and you're done. As you can see, I accidentally damaged the clay. Just apply some water and fix it with your fingers. I decided that the vision without this base would look weird. It is simple, but with it looks way better. While making the orb, make sure that it is as round as possible. Mine is far from perfect, but I'm happy with the end result. I drew two lines with my pencil to show where the black paint should end. course, I will paint all the not so well painted spots of camera. I just didn't want to put my face in front of it. I can't stress enough how much I love pearl coat paints. The shining effect is beautiful in sunlight. Quick tip: use a pencil to cover all the remaining white spots. And I had to mess up at the end. I didn't put the template in the center. That's what you get when you make something half asleep. Thank you for watching my video. I hope I earned your subscription today. It could help my channel grow and let more people know it even exists. See you soon in the next video.